Hi kids, today we will learn three things, that is weathering, erosion and deposition. Now kids, first you should know what is weathering. Weathering is because of the weather and the climate. Sometimes what happens? The big rocks, they break. Now why they break? Look kids, because of rainfall sometimes you find there are cracks in the big rocks. Over there during rainy season the water gets accumulated, like it is over there, you can see it for a long period. Then slowly plants grow over there, and because of the growth of the plant the breaks. So there are different ways, because of different agents the rock breaks down, like water, wind, that I said, growing plants, even animals can push it, correct? And even ice. So because of all these different agents there is breaking of rocks. This is called as weathering. Yeah. Now we talk about erosion. Look kids, erosion is movement of sediment from broken rocks. Now sediments here means small pieces of rocks, okay, very minute particles which can be easily blown away by the winds, water, ice, gravity. So what is erosion actually? When the sediment means the soil, okay, when the soil is carried away, or it is, you can say it is carried away with the help of agents like water, wind, ice, gravity, that is called as erosion. Carried away means it is where we can say the soil or the landform over there, whatever soil is there, that is moved away, teared away or carried away. Means from that part it goes somewhere else with the force of, it can be because of force of water, force of wind, force of ice, or it can be also gravity. Gravity means the pull of the earth, correct? So erosion is nothing but the movement of sediments from broken rocks. The small pieces, they move away to some other place with the help of agents. This is called erosion. See the picture over here. Can you see all this part? It is all fallen down in water. Means the land is eroded. Now what do you mean by deposition, kids? Look, deposition is when erosion takes place. The sediments or the soil that is moved from one place, correct? But somewhere it goes and stops, correct? It accumulates over there, it gets collected over there. So this collection of sediments is called deposition. Okay, the dropping of sediments in a new place, because of which agents? Agents like air, like wind, water, gravity. And because of depositions, kids, we find the different landforms. Have you heard about the sand dunes? Look, in deserts now we find such mountains. The shape of this is because there is deposition of sand. Okay, and this, the agent over here is the storm, the wind. Now what are sand dunes, that I will teach you later. At present what you need to understand is what is deposition. So deposition is settling of the sediments in a new place, okay, and there a new landform is formed, that is deposition. Now see over here the picture, weathering picture I have showed you, how weathering is taking place. Look, because of weathering what happens? Sometimes because the too much of heat also rock breaks, correct? Now or maybe because of too heavy rainfall also rocks can break. It is not only rocks, it can be the mountain top level also, okay, it can be the sand also, it falls downwards. So Weathering causes the rocks to break down. Then see the next picture over here. It is a picture of erosion. Which agent it is? Rain. Now can you see the rain falling on the rock? And because of that, the small rocks, because of weathering which were surrounded over there, they all start coming downwards. Okay, so from one place they are moving to other place with the help of water, with the help of rain. This is called erosion. Then now see over here, rocks are eroded. Eroded means they are carried away and washed away by wind and water. Because of rainfall and heavy winds, they are carried away to some another place. Now the another place where they settle down, that is called as deposition. Now see, because of erosion, you find, look now, can you see this waterfall? Now what happens, kids, when from a height water falls? When from a height water falls, back of the water, the mountains, for example, can you see this mountain over here? Behind the waterfall, the whole, that rock is whole eroded. Slowly, the rock is broken into pieces. And can you see all this material over here? Those are the eroded material which have been deposited over here. And see, with the water, the rock, small rocks also floats down. Correct? So here you can see erosion and you can also see deposition. Clear, kids? Yeah. And I had said, now look kids, when these waterfalls are there, over here in this picture, there is a big sea or river over here. So the water mixes over there. But sometimes what happens, when the waterfalls starts and below, beneath the mountain, if it is land, they will form small streams. Whatever way the water finds, they will start floating and they will form streams. These streams are known as meanders. Okay, these streams are known as meanders, and sometimes they take such a shape like a ox. Like these meanders, because see the shape how they take. So they are also known as oxbow lakes. What are they known as? Oxbow lakes. The waterfall which falls from the top of a mountain to the bottom of the mountain, and then they form small streams. So such streams are called meanders, and these take such shapes. Can you see the picture? So they are also known as oxbow lake. Clear? So today kids, what we have learned? We have learned erosion, weathering and deposition. What is weathering? Breaking up of big rocks. Correct? And then what is erosion? Carrying away of the small pieces, the sediments of rocks, the broken rocks, they are carried away with the help of agents, that is called erosion. And deposition means this erode sediments, after being carried away by wind or water or any agent, they get deposited somewhere. Correct? They get collected somewhere. That is called deposition. Okay, clear? We continue kids tomorrow. Till then, see you. Bye bye.